face feel nasty or oily, I'm just putting on just number one.
It depends on the one that you're using.
But all of them feel the same way.
No.
Yes, they do. So right now, focus for me, you know.
It is focusing on you, darling. Calm down.
So why get your people bad man? They make people can't make other people.
Girl, it's not me.
It's not my focus for me. I should go change it so I can.
Guys, is it not focusing on her though?
I don't want to see the box for my face. Why they on your face alone?
You are
start the video.
Video has begun. I don't know why this girl feel like she did for wear red too.
Yes, no, from morning.
No
yes, when me I leave for go school.
No one
and you
remembered.
saw that I was in red. Now I come home and she's in red.
No one remembered that you wore red. Okay, honestly, for you guys, for true. Today we're gonna be doing the Sister and I Switch makeup video. Now this is a little or challenge rather. I've been watching quite a number of them and they've been so funny. We're going to be switching our makeup today and the makeup routines, not just the makeup. Not just the makeup but also the routine. So the way how you guys see me always in my face, that's how she's gonna do her makeup today. And what she normally does is how I'm going to do my makeup today. Okay, so this should be interesting. We have 1 and 2 products that might be the same, and
I doubt that.
You doubt it?
Yeah. If you do it, I look at it with that mirror, yeah.
If I do what?
Show me some things.
So we are the shabby.
No, them just no say my things. I don't have to see it. I'm using the Brow Perfecting pencil in charcoal.
Wait, you use the Air Woman pencil here?
Yeah.
So what those sharp?
It was sharp like in there.
Where in here? So I'm using this Air Woman pencil. This isn't new. This is actually something that I've used. Going to clean up. I'm going to clean up, and yeah, I use the Sister.
I'm using the Sister It's You concealer in the shade Golden Beige.
She is so happy using my products right now. So happy. Alright, this is like an all-time favorite.
I think somebody in that.
I did say use
yeah.
Fan. I stop use fan for highlight my brow line.
Why?
Because it's just like but I want it to pop more.
No,
that's far off from far.
Exactly, I said this light.
Right. So I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is a really good one. Because I used to use it like all the time in Fan. Yeah, this now gonna give me the pop on there. Look.
Well, I ate me use, so no.
Very realistic.
I use my skin foundation over my eyebrows.
Yeah, cramp my style, you know, Shami.
Yeah, cramp mine.
I mean, yes guys, you can definitely do that. That's something I even mentioned you can do to make your brows look more realistic. So Shami is definitely on the more realistic side. The Black Opal Beautiful Bronze. No wonder. Yup.
I can't tolerate.
Eyebrows don't look too bad.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Put on my foundation or...
So you don't use primer?
No.
Well, I use primer. I use primer for my smile lines and under my eyes. So everything is really smooth.
I
your
don't
skin
need
is
it.
really smooth.
No, I don't
your
use it for
skin
my
is
smile
very
line.
smooth. Yeah, but your skin very smooth. So me use it for that. If you did not know, now you do. And you're doing my routine. I'm doing your routine.
Wait.
What you say? I don't know.
Put on foundation on your face, and then afterwards.
Which foundation you use? She uses the...
How this go now? I'm just...
you dab it into the skin and you can, you know, kind of balance it out with a brush, like make it even and stuff.
But me can't see it, so I'm gonna know if it's even or not.
Of course you can see it. It starts drying on the face after a while. L'Oreal True Match super blendable makeup. This is in Cappuccino N8. Just a tad.
Concealer, know which concealer?
Under your eyes, I use the Golden Beige, and for the rest of the highlighted portions, I use the Kat Von D, because I like when the eyes pop.
I feel like it kind of looks orange.
Guys, remember, this video is all fun and games, so please don't take this seriously. I know some people might be like, this not, that no. No, it's all fun and jokes. Alright? All fun and jokes. Actually forgotten how well a brush can just blend out all your highlighted portion after using the beauty sponge for so long. But after you finish highlighting and stuff, what you're set with?
My Sasha compact powder. Oh no, for sorry. I use the here.
Oh, you use Ruby Kisses?
Yeah.
Ruby Kiss?
Yeah.
Set and Forget It setting powder. This is a banana powder from Ruby Kisses.
Almost don't know.
Set the rest of your face. I use my Infallible for that at the moment. Used to be my Milani, but you know.
Me represent. Yeah, but you think I was motivated, the two of us.
What do you use to set your...
My Sasha compact powder.
Okay, so this is Sasha Compact Powder in Perfect Bronze.
I do after this one.
You finished set everything? Well, I usually just do a light wash of like my all over face powder on my crease of my eyes. Well, I must say this foundation isn't bad. Like you usually do to your eyes.
Wait, after I do this, what may I do?
You're going to pounce it in and then highlight.
So I'm done? So I'm basically done already?
Yeah.
But
You see the little bit of work we do?
Yeah.
I told you, like, guy. I told you so. You want to do more work?
No. Alright.
Aren't you happy?
So, I would normally use a color like this in my crease.
Okay. This eyeshadow. So if I really feel like super bare, then I'll put on a little liner. So I feel like it actually can go ahead.
The Pretty Vulgar liner.
In black ink. In the ink. It's in the bottom. The ink.
In the
black lips.
Black lip.
What, you're not? Alright, tell him, Shami.
They don't say.
No, tell him, cause them don't
I'm
hear.
using Pretty Vulgar in the ink black list. Yeah.
It's the deepest liner pot I've ever gotten.
Again, alright, this is going to cause a problem for me because.
So when they said we have a couple things that are similar, like she has a Stilazi liner.
I
So
just line.
I'm gonna line my eyes with this.
The bottom of my eye. I can't remember some can't see. And plus me I use some so I line bottom of my eye and put mascara on this.
You do it thinly on top.
I can't.
You can. She has a sister mascara. She have some really nice stuff. She has some really nice stuff. So you didn't spray your face?
Wait, no?
No, like you not spray your face. You spray your face?
Yeah. Oh.
At what point do you?
Before mascara.
So when you dab it in, would you just spray it and make it dry down and dab it in?
No.
What you spray it with? I'm gonna spray my face with NYX Matte Finish spray. I really love my Mario, but this too.
Hello. Use what you have. Use what God provides.
Your shit bad me up. She doesn't dab it in.
But no, probably I wonder why I put on liner so I can't do it properly, so I'm just dabbing it on my water.
And then what you used to highlight?
My Maybelline Pro. I'm using the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and I'm going to dab it in with this beauty.
And I'm using the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Face Studio.
After this nice spray.
Where you mean it nice for the for your face so it wet?
It is. I didn't feel it.
What? You're mad? Anywho.
It's bomb, okay? It's a bomb.com. My face, my eye can't open. It's not gonna
Yeah,
burn.
no, it doesn't burn.
Okay.
This is nice.
What do I use to highlight?
You can use Sugar Daddy from Artist Couture, or you can use this, which I feel like would be better for you because you're not so yeah, it'll be more manageable.
I'm not so what?
No, I not even remember what me does. This
Very
one,
chic,
yeah.
I normally use a fan brush to apply my glow.
But I start with this already. Are we
Alright,
kidding?
since I start with that, I mean,
Are you? I did not know. I'm happy. What do you do for your lips?
I normally just put on chapstick or clear glass.
I'll go with the clear glass option. You're so boring.
I don't like the feeling of lipstick. I normally like highlight hair and in my eye corner and at the tail of my brow.
Oh my gosh, Shami, you kill me. I don't even like do my eyebrow, my brow bone. I don't really do this that much no more, guys. I just don't.
So what do you normally do for lips?
Gloss, clear gloss is very safe for me, and that's my air.
Oh, but
I do this sometimes. I don't mind this. What I say? And I don't normally do this. I'm going to apply some mascara and then top it up.
For mascara.
This girl that came in my BoxyCharm, and everybody knows BoxyCharm carries only the best. Look at this one lash mouthlet from a Fusion set. One single strand, guys. So she said she like using clear gloss, which I like doing that too. Alright, so I'm using her Victoria's Secret refreshing lip gloss. This is Minty Shine. A chair. Oh!
Done it. Just done the whole tube.
Oh, it tastes so good.
It does.
Tastes like so.
Mint sweetie.
It tastes like minty bubblegum. Like, oh my god. Hold on. Pause.
I like the glow. I still feel like I needed my foundation to cover up my spots down here.
So you feel like, let me see. I mean, okay, so you know those people who like the sheer coverage and not something that is too like opaque? That's what she has going on right now with her skin. Like, what were your favorite products?
The glow. the brow pencil.
After she go on to over my brow pencil.
It fancy. I like the mascara.
You say it not cover up your
I feel like my powder would have done a better job covering my spots.
Because that's Sasha. Sasha is full coverage. Like Sasha is, if you're looking for full coverage products, Sasha has that. But yeah, I understand what you mean. Definitely. Yeah. If you have spots like her and stuff, then you probably want something a little bit more opaque. And Sasha really cover. So if you have Sasha will cover up everything, why you bother use foundation? Just want to feel more secure.
You can't leave me alone.
Alright, let me tell you what I liked with your products. Okay, so the brows are very minimalistic, very nice, very daytime. If you're going to the office or one of those events where you have to
school.
College. But more than likely, to be very realistic, if you're a college student, probably going to do this on a day that is like a special day. Because who needs to wear makeup every single day, right? I really liked the glow. The bam. Yeah. When you see like drugstore, like that's really nice. That's very pigmented, very glowy. Victoria lip gloss is always a win. Tastes so good. And I just love gloss, period.
How do you like the glow in like your tear down? You did not put it on your brows.
I forgot.
You did not. You just didn't want to.
I forgot.
How do you like it in your tear?
It's not something new to me. Sometimes I do it to just make me look more refreshed, and you know. One thing that I really didn't like about your routine was the fact that you do not prime. And for me personally, I need to prime. Well, I don't prime all the time, as I mentioned, guys, because sometimes I don't have the time. Sometimes I'm not going to have on the makeup that long. But for my smile lines, I need to prime them so that they don't start
she like that. I don't have it. I don't like that she has it.
You have smile line too. She has smile line.
I'm talking about the primer in your routine because it make my face feel nasty and oily. I'm putting on just number one.
It depends on the one that you're using.
But all of them feel the same way.
No.
Yes, they do. I don't
all
like
of them don't feel so.
They do. How much primer I use for my face over the time?
This video is straight
No, you've been doing my makeup for like what?
So I push me down.
A good amount of years, and you've used multiple primers. I mean, all of them feel the same way. The white one, the one with have the little ball on the end, the one with dry and make your face stiff. The whole of them feel the same way when it's going on. I don't like it.
You ain't gotta do me like that.
No, I didn't. It's not you I'm talking about. It's the primer. You don't have to take it so serious.
People. No matter what, but I take it too serious. I so go on on a regular basis, okay? I feel like we both handled each other's routine pretty well. What do you guys think? Let me know. Remember, this was all fun and games, so no matter what, oh, that was too much. I already established that, you know, the foundation could have matched me a little better, but I want to.
Wait, no. But that's a look on my eyebrow, them man I say.
Yeah, I admire them.
I want me to do them, so you know, like I mean really do them.
Let me see. Yeah, them the very nice.
Them no good.
Yeah.
For the first time. I don't know what I saw.
No. Yeah, oh guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and follow my little sister here on Instagram.
876 Dimples with a Z, honey. Divinity Dimples with a Z, honey.
And let us know about your upcoming college vlogs.
We did not discuss this. Okay.
I saw all the mukbang requests after doing that first mukbang.
Oh, I want to do a mukbang for my channel too. Popeye's one, you know, when you everybody chicken make a yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing more of those for you guys, and I'm trying to mix up things and do more fun videos like this one here, more than just straight out tutorials. I'm still gonna mix in those though. They're not gonna stop, but just try to do more fun stuff.
Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked it, and subscribe on your way out. Pause the video now and go subscribe, and then come back and watch any clip. I don't know if you want to watch any clip, but yeah, go subscribe and then comment your thoughts, who you think did it better, you know, swing on me, you know what I'm saying? So guys, that was it for this video. See you guys in her next week video.